Hey guys, wanted to do a quick little intro on this woodworking project I'm working on. It's a mobile kitchen island cart, and it's going to be meant to wheel around the kitchen and use it for multiple purposes, like chopping vegetables on it and just more counter space essentially. So this winter I built the legs, which you're about to see. It was made out of 4x4s and 2x4s, and I went to Home Depot and found the most crummy, rustic looking 2x4s in the batch, and took those because to me they had a lot of character, and that's what I wanted for this build, because I want this cart to look pretty rustic looking. Let's jump into it and check out this build of mine. I hope you guys enjoy it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? It's pretty windy today. I did not go fishing. I was going to show you my current wood project. It's a mobile kitchen island, and I have the frame of it built up right here. I tried to use rustic wood because I recently bought some old pallets from my grandpa, and this thing's probably 50 plus years old, and it's real rustic looking wood, and I wanted to make a top out of it, so I'm trying to figure out how to do that. I thought I'd put it on this mobile kitchen island. So far I cut one of those pieces up out here. That's the bottom piece, and I'm about to route an edge on it. Next up, I'm going to put these wheels on the bottom. They'll stand like so. Alright, next guys, I bought this weather accelerator to make this wood look essentially older than what it actually is. So I'm going to get to applying this. I'm about to call it a day. Here's what I got so far. Next part's going to be getting the top on and seeing how this dries out and how it turns out and looks. The top is going to be two different pieces, so it's going to be way harder, so stay tuned. That's the end of this first part of the mobile kitchen island build. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It's going to be a while before I can get to the top, and I'm also going to apply a sealer to the boards. Quick backstory on the 50-plus-year-old wood. I took it to a car wash and soap pressure washed it and scrubbed it and got it pretty clean because it was in a barn. And like I said, I'm going to put a clear coat over it. The purpose of the clear coat is to cover everything up, fill in all the nooks and crannies, and give it a nice cleanable surface to work on. So stay tuned for the next part. I'll have it out in a while. I'm not sure when I can get to that. I got a lot of projects going on right now. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and stay tuned for the next part 2. And smash the like button if you like this, and leave a comment if you thought I should have done anything different or you had any questions about it. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.